Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be replacing the door glass on a Bosch washing machine. If your door glass is cracked or is damaged, it can cause a leak from the door and it will need to be replaced. Always work safely. Disconnect the appliance before you start the repair. To find the right spare for your model, look inside the door and grab the model details. Then go to the eSpares website and order the correct part. With the door open, it's a good idea just to note the position of the door glass. On this model, you can see it has this bulb at the bottom, so when fitting your new one, it goes in the same way. I'm now going to remove the two screws that hold the hinge and the door assembly in place. Then lift out the way. Next, I need to remove all the screws around the inside of the door, including one that's positioned under the sticker, to separate the two halves of the door to access the door glass. With the last screw removed, I can lift out the hinge. To separate the parts of the door, I need to flip it upside down. Let the inner door fall down, lift off the outer door and also the glass cover. Now just note again the position that the door glass is in. Lift off the frame, remove your old glass and put your new glass into the same position and then reset the frame. Pop the glass cover back in and then your outer door, and then lift up your inner door and then flip over. When you lift the inner door frame up, just make sure that the catch here goes through the hole correctly. Now turn it back over and refit the hinge. You can then refit all the screws. Now that the screws are all back in place, I can refit the door. There we have it, how to replace a door glass on a Bosch washing machine. Please give this video a thumbs up if we've helped you, and subscribe for more handy how-to videos. Find all the spares and accessories you will ever need on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.